The biggest mistake you've made is not using this binary option strategy. $300,000 net profit for 2 months of trading with a starting investment of $200. That's the real result of my subscriber. This strategy is crazy and I've already tested it. More than 70 profitable trades in a couple of days. It's the simplest possible setup, suitable for mobile trading, and it does not require experience and a lot of capital. I want to show you how to use it daily with a detailed explanation. So let's get started. As usual, I'd show you the classic angles with a time frame of 15 seconds. And out of the setup platform for that strategy, you need to select the indicators every side, stochastic oscillator, and zigzag. I'm starting with a zigzag settings. The way should I change to 8, changing depth to 18, changing backstep to 6, changing the color of the line. In every side indicator, I change the view to 8, so I make the lines brighter and change the color. And I'm doing this to make it easier to show you each step. And not to get confused, it remains to adjust this to have stack in together. And for that, I'm changing K period to 8, D period to 2, S moving period to 2, and I'm changing the moving average to EMA. Also change the line style. I choose 3 minutes for the first trade, and now this $150. The trade is for sales. So I wait for the price to fall and press the red button. And so the first step is to find a market situation on a life or other security fear in which the price will steadily rise or fall within 5 minutes. For example, here I see that Kindle have been moving up for about 4 minutes without corrections. The zigzag line stretches higher, and only now movement has stopped it. A red Kindle has opened it, and it seems this local trend is over. And yeah, that's really the case, because the second step is to check the indicators. I see that the lines return to the middle channel after they hit a critically high zone. In general, my friends, the asset was actively bought, then the asset was overbought, and now it's time for a correction. In the next few minutes, we will see a drop in the price, and our task is to quickly open a trade. I have already done it. Instructions are very simple. Once again, first you look for a stable trend and wait for the price movement to stop. Then check the indicators. And if the indicators confirm the correction, then it's time to open a trade and wait. Using that 2 steps, you can find accurate signals and make good profits. But this is not enough for your stats to be very, very good at a distance. Before I will give you some secret recommendations in the next trade. Let's wait. Okay, great. The first profitable trade, and I count already as $475. I'm not stopping, and I'm already looking for the next currency pair. The task in my videos is to show you not only profitable trades, but also to show you losses or strange signals so that you don't make mistakes. And now I want to show you a dangerous situation that must be avoided. If you look at this example, I think you see that a zigzag and trend are working correctly. The indicators are showing a good signal, and all the lines are moving as they should. But pay attention to what happened to the Kindles 1 minute ago. I see some very strange jump. It's an instant correction that doesn't happen just like that. And if you see something like that, you need to change the currency pair. Yeah, friends, I have opened the signal now because I'm not afraid of losing and want to show you what will happen. And I'm sure that this trade will be unprofitable. For my friends, remember, if you see any detail that confuses you, it's better to skip this signal. All such factors will prevent you from making a profit. And it's better to not to try it. Okay, friends, the is unprofitable. I think you already figured out why. The trade time is 2 minutes, the amount is $200. I open a trade to buy. I promise to give you the secret recommendations to make your trades better, and the first secret is a Kindle pattern. Yeah, friends, after I opened more than 70 trades with this strategy, I not only spun detail. If a currency pair has had a good trade change in the last 30 minutes, it's greatly increased the chance of making a profit. Look at this. Zigzag line shows this very well. In the last 30 minutes, I see that the price has changed direction twice. The Kindles were rising, then falling, then rising again, then falling again, and now it's happening again. For if you want the statistics of your trades to be twice as good, use this sacred rule. Open a trade on forward trend change. It really helps. Made a profit very easily and quickly. My balance is already $500. This is a really good result. But I want to open another trades. Another one trade time is 2 minutes. The amount is $220. I open a trade for sale. The trend has changed 4 times in the last 30 minutes, and it looks very good. So I'm taking this position without a doubt. A wonderful pattern, very good entry point. I hope everything will be fine. And so the second secret is that opening trade only with Indicate Alliance have started to return to the middle channel. A lot of newbies make the mistakes of opening trade very early. The Alliance are still in a critically high or low zone. It's better to wait an extra 20 or 40 seconds and open a trade later. It's always better to wait and avoid mistakes than to trade quickly and lose money. The trade is profitable and I'm completing the trading session. Friends, I doubled my account in 4 trades. I made a net profit of $360 and 12 minutes of work. This is a really cool strategy that every Norway trader can make money with. Train, make a profit. If you are afraid of losses, try a demo account if you want, and always be aware of the risk. Yeah, friends, don't trade where your last money. Trading is a risk. Okay, so write your opinion in the comments. It's very interesting for me. And don't forget about $100 for 5 random people in every video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, just write me something to my Telegram, link only in the video description. In the next video, choose 5 people randomly and send money. That's it, guys. In the last video, maybe next time it will be you, so act right now. I wish you good luck and see you soon.